Hey guys, morning. This is well, my second video for the day. Here's what's going on. On this video, I have my 1976 Pinto Wagon up for sale. So I've decided I need to do something with. I'm getting too many cars. I just can't afford to keep buying stuff and building cars and out of my pocket anymore. So I have to sell something and get it moved on down the road. So in this video, what I'm going to do is we're going to do a walk around and show you everything on the Pinto here, and then just kind of go from there. So that's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll do a outside walk around first, and then we'll go from there. All right, well, here we go on this one. Like I said, 1976 Pinto station wagon. This car is 100% rebuilt. I've redone everything. I've had this car for probably at least 4 years now. I got this from a guy that had a whole yard full of old junk cars he had laying around, and I did some work for him, helped him out with some stuff. He was handicapped, and he gave me what was of this car when he had it sitting there. Well, so there's the front end, and we go around here, the passenger side. See everything there. It's got a really straight body on this car. There's some of these parking lot door ding things there. I keep debating if I should put that trim along that line on the side, the door line there. I see some of the Pintos have it, some don't. That would hide all them little nicks or dings from the doors. Backside, all the glass on this car is perfect. Not a crack, blemish, nothing in it. Bumpers are perfectly straight. Everything is good. Lights all work. This side, driver's side's all the same. Everything's nice on it. Got the luggage rack. So we will go ahead now and kind of just sort of go through everything. This has the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine, just a regular stock engine in it. This engine is 100% rebuilt from the bottom up. Every single thing in this engine was redone. I brought it in. The engine was out of the car when I got it. I took the engine into a machine shop and had them completely rebuild it. So it is, basically brand new. It probably has maybe a couple hundred miles on this car, since it's been done and I've been driving it around. It's all stock. There's nothing here. Well, there is. I did put headers on it. So it does have the stainless steel headers. Everything else is just stock on it. I have this piece right here of the air filter that goes across here. I took it off because I don't like it. It's kind of to me, it's kind of ugly. This way you can see the motor better. I got the heat insulation up there on the hood. Front end is perfect. I don't believe that grill is exactly for this year car. I think the 76s had the little squares in them, but I got this one. It's not broke, so that's why I got it. Go over here. We've got original, basically stock you know, wheels on it, and those are factory hubcaps, brand spanking new tires. It's got the cool little Pinto. Everything here is good. Back, like I said, the back, all the tires are brand new. They're all original Pinto wheels, 13-inch factory hubcaps. It's got brand new suspension, front and rear shocks. The whole front end has been rebuilt. All new ball joints, all that kind of stuff's done on it. You know, the sway bar bushings, everything, all that stuff is done. It's all new. Stock radiator that I had cleaned. I think it had a couple small little links in it, and the radiator shop fixed them up. This car runs all day long. Never gets over 170 degrees. It just runs perfect. It has the original factory carburetor that I rebuilt, and it you know, it's good. Brand new exhaust all the way back. Here in the back, I put see if we can get down here and see them. Yeah, there they are. I put these shackles on it. The bushings up on the top of the leaf springs were worn out, and you can't find bushings for them, but you can find a shackle kit that has the right bushing. So I bought the shackle kit and put on it. So you can raise this thing up a little bit if you want. You want to put some fat tires on the back. Look at all that room back there. Man, you could put all kinds of cool stuff back there. Well, that's pretty much on the outside. This is another car I painted by myself. This paint looks real good on this one. The body was real nice, so it helped. Let's go ahead and get in the interior here. Door panels were shot, of course, on it, so I made my own door panels. They look pretty nice. They fit good. I like them. All the doors are repainted. Inside, it's got the new dash pad. All this was stripped down, repainted, redone. All cleaned up. Everything works. New carpet in it. The seats, you can see I got seat covers on it. These are the original seats, but they're rough. So, upholstery work is just ridiculous these days. It was at least $300 a seat to have them reupholstered. If I keep this car, if it doesn't sell and I keep it, I'm going to take those seats out and buy those black, nice, high back, kind of like the racing seats, and put in here. I can get a pair of those with the tracks for $400 when I know it would cost me at least $600 to reupholster these seats. So, headliner's perfect. Oh, it does need that. I don't know if you can see it that good, but up there's a dome light that's supposed to fit up there that, I haven't been able to find one of those yet, but, honestly, I haven't really looked. It's got the 4-speed tranny. Clutch is new. Underneath there, it's all new. Transmission works good. Back in here is all nice. Got new carpet down there. Underneath, it's all been painted. The wheel, the spare tire tub down here is all done. This back part of the car is still in the blue that it was in when I got it. Maybe someday if I kept it, I'd repaint it or something, but I don't know. It doesn't need it. Same with the hatch here. It's in the blue color. What else we got? Door panels over here, good. Interior here, good. It's got a set of gauges in it. The back seat, you can see, is a different color, but it's perfect. That's why it's in here. I got this out of a different car, Pinto I had, and this, so I put it in there. It's got the seat belts, everything in it. These things, you can paint this vinyl. you know, make the seats look good. Not really much else to show on this car. It's, you know, this is it. Oh, it does need door seals. Okay, I haven't gotten around to the door seals yet on it. The door seals for these, Autocrafters has them. They're the original type door seals. They're all the one piece. You don't have to screw with them. They got the little buttons that poke into these holes. They, you know, tuck in up in here. They're $110 for the set. So I'll probably go ahead and get those door seals and put on here on this car. So I don't know, not much to look at on here. Like I said, it's good. Everything's good on it. So I guess with that, let's go ahead and get to the you know, the real goody, you know, technical stuff. All right, so you got a good look at the car. So this is, okay, here's the deal with the Pinto. I'm asking $6,000 for the Pinto. Basically, you're getting a brand new car with that. You know, it's not anything fancy like you see a lot of these guys with these Pintos. They drop the V8s in them. They do all kinds of crazy stuff and, you know, all that sort of stuff with it. This is a stock Pinto. Pretty much the way it would have came out of the factory back in '76. This thing runs just perfect. It just buzzes down the road just completely just fine. You know, it'll just run all day at 60 miles an hour. You know, that's all these things did. They're not hot rods. You want to drop a V8 in it, you know, I guess you can. But so with that, I would, for the 6,000, like I said, I'd put the door seals in, and it's done. You could come and get this car and drive it home. I don't care where you live in the United States. You could hop in it and drive it to New York. You're gonna make it there. Brakes work fine. It's got disc brakes on the front, so you know they work good. But I guess with that, that's probably pretty much all there is. I'll leave. I'm gonna down in this description. I'm gonna leave a text phone number. You can, if you have any questions or you want to talk to me about it, go ahead and text me on that number, and you know, ask your questions or whatever, and then we just go from there. So with that, let's go ahead and close the video. I guess you've seen enough and heard enough, and you know, hopefully I hear from somebody. So thanks for watching, guys.